Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian Umrupa Premium Meghalaya
Ka company Blakli da unong bishar balasong thad u Justice BP katake kelalap bakidan hadu iwe point kenai pu arlak metric ton u Dewïong belati Be-Aiñ hagi South League District jongga jela ketah East Jain Hills South West Khasi Hills West Khasi Hills but South Garo Hills District jongga jela lalap bakijing dan jong uni u Dewïong Be-Aiñ dealing ba ke jing sorbe je company kreatif kumga Garuda habakaran jigelat thai khubor di melawai ke jingalang u Justice katake ulong bola betha iki Deputy Commissioner bagi Superintendent of Police jong ki South League District bagi Dewan Pet ngor baha iki jingdan ki Dewïong lak jingini ki iwe point kenai pu arlak metric ton ki belati Be-Aiñ u Justice katake ulong ba unpha iki jingkin tho jong u syakam gelaya High Court ya ka ba umla ban pentepat ba ke jingkin tho ka ba kumnu unpha namar ba unum patla bania tho namar ba ka de ka kam jong ka court kini ki iwe point kenai pu arlak metric ton ki Dewïong ulong ba ki de ki ba mi tam de ka jingdan u Dewïong ubla dapti lupa syaban khang ke NGT ya ka ba ka jingken ke dan ruah Supreme Court ulong ru ba dan kam satya banyakaran bat ka sarkar halor kani namar ba ule ikakam kat kum ka jing betha jong ka High Court Shoshu laban biang sa hisin da ka baong ba u Dewïong u bamitam na ki jaga penlang ki bladap itho ki de ki Dewïong Be-Aiñ berhak ban pejitom kat kum ke MMDR Act da ka bahak ban mudoi da ki ejahar bad u Dewïong ru de ban kurup bed berhak ban dililam bad ka bisa ka mi de ban thep haplating ka jong ka sarkar om ba ka ne ka pla jong utrai Dewïong
We have discussed today's proceeding rather was for having the discussion on the various steps taken for implementation of NGT's order as well as the Supreme Court order and also various orders passed by the Honorable High Court because High Court has also passed certain orders from time to time. I have two meetings. Yesterday also I had a meeting with Garuda people who were entrusted with the job of conducting the aerial survey. And that aerial survey was in respect of around 730 or 40 square kilometer. And the area identified was on the basis of the coordinates of the inventoried coal earlier found within 1 kilometer radius, therefore, though the 4 districts that survey was conducted, the area-wise, the square meter in terms of square kilometer is a huge area in every district. But we concentrated only around little over 700 square kilometer. And that report has been submitted. That report says that was the whole purpose was to find out whether there was any other coal other than the inventoried coal which has already been shifted to the CIL designated depot and seized under the MMDR Act. According to the report, in 4 districts, that is East Jain, Southwest Khasi Hills, West Khasi Hills and South Garo Hills district, they found little over 1.92 lakh metric ton of coal other than the inventoried coal. I have asked them to furnish certain clarification, which I am expecting today or by tomorrow. I have asked them to furnish me those clarification by today. I hope that by the end of the day I will get it. So therefore, according to them, other than inventoried coal, there are more coal available within 1 kilometer. So therefore, in today's discussion, I have requested the Deputy Commissioners and Superintendent of Police of the concerned district as well as all concerned departments to be more vigilant about the availability of coal other than this 1.92 lakh metric ton coal. Based on this report, survey report, I will submit my report to the Honorable High Court. What would be my impression on this report? Because I have to give my impression on this report, which I cannot share with you right now unless I submit the report and unless the High Court make it public. So fact remains that the survey report conducted by Garoda, they found additional 1.92 lakh metric ton of coal in 4 districts in the state of Meghalaya. Any coal found other than in CIL designated depot is illegal. Any coal. After the ban was imposed by the NGT, which has been confirmed by the Supreme Court, Supreme Court has said that there cannot be rat hole mining, means illegal mining, unless the mining is allowed under the provisions of MMDR Act. Where I have been told today in today's proceeding that 4 prospective licenses have already been issued. Another 4 has also been granted. Total 8. Out of 8, in respect of 3, environmental clearance has been granted. The 5 are yet to get the environmental clearance. And out of those 3 environmental clearance granted projects, 1 has started their operation. That's what I have been informed today. Why should I ask the government to clarify? Because I am here because of the High Court, as per the High Court's order. These surveys, everything is being conducted because of the direction issued by me from time to time. And based on these reports, I will scrutinize those reports. I will have my own interpretation of this report and inform the High Court. And High Court definitely will take appropriate action thereafter. But I am reiterating, any coal other than the coal found available in the CIL designated depots is illegally mined coal. And action has to be taken under the MMDR Act, means FIRs have to be registered, coal has to be seized, the entire coal has to be put to auction, subject to the permission to be granted by the respective courts of law, and the entire sale proceed will go to the state exchequer. Not a single funding will go to the coal miners. Premature to comment because I am yet to make my mind what recommendation I will make. And based on the recommendation, as soon as it is made public, you will definitely get the report if the High Court makes it public. And based on that, we will discuss subsequently. Because 28th is the next date fixed by the High Court, 28th of April. Before 3-4 days before, at least I will submit the report. My mandate is not to look into the scientific mining aspect, because my mandate is to oversee the implementation of NGT's direction issued in case number 110 of 92, if I am not wrong, 92, and the subsequent Supreme Court judgment in the subsequent proceeding, as well as the various orders passed by the Honorable High Court. I cannot comment anything on the scientific mining activities. That is, if there are violation, mining authorities are there. The authority who has granted the prospective license, the authority who has granted the permits under the MMDR Act. There are enough authorities under the MMDR Act till the stage of closure of mines to take action if those are violated. That audit is still going on, and in one ferroalloy plant, some assessment of compensation has also been done, but they have been given an opportunity to react to that. No final decision has been taken, and they have been given the date, the last date for submission of the explanation is 21st of April. After that, the department and as well as the committee will take a final call and proceed to recover whatever amount is found to be due. Filed by different individuals, and Mr. Bhattacharjee has, as requested by Mr. Bhattacharjee, has conducted an inquiry into that. Field verification was also done, and he has also submitted a report, and he has further suggested that certain areas need to be visited by the Deputy Commissioner, and Deputy Commissioner has been directed by the department to, say, conduct whatever inquiry is required, verification is required to be conducted, and submit the report within a week. I have also requested the Deputy Commissioner in today's proceeding that he should get it done quickly and submit the report within a week, so that whatever was the complaint, I can deal with those complaints.